Weed out. To remove people or things that are not wanted or are less good. Weed out comes from gardening, where it means removing unwanted plants, weeds. We need to weed out the weak players from the team. She weeds out old clothes from her closet every year. The company is trying to weed out inefficient workers. He weeds out the unhealthy plants from his garden. The process helps to weed out errors in the system.